नगमे हैं, शिकवे हैं, किस्से हैं, बातें हैं। नगमे हैं, शिकवे हैं, किस्से हैं, बातें हैं। बातें भूल जाती है, यादें याद आती हैं। बातें भूल जाती है, यादें याद आती हैं। ये यादें किसी दिलो जानम के चले जाने के बाद आती हैं। यादें यादें यादें। ये जीवन दिल जानी दरिया का है पानी। पानी तो बह जाए, बाकी क्या रह जाए। यादें यादें यादें। नगमे हैं, शिकवे हैं, किस्से हैं, बातें हैं। बातें भूल जाती हैं, यादें याद आती हैं। ये यादें किसी दिल जानम के चले जाने के बाद आती हैं। यादें यादें यादें। दुनिया में यूं आना, दुनिया से यूं जाना। आओ तो ले आना, जाओ तो दे जाना। यादें भूल जाती है, यादें याद आती हैं। ये यादें किसी दिल जानम के चले जाने के बाद आती हैं। यादें यादें यादें। नगमे हैं, शिकवे हैं, किस्से हैं, बातें हैं। नगमे हैं, शिकवे हैं, किस्से हैं, बातें हैं। बातें भूल
Today you are special. I request everyone to come on the stage. Divakar Reddy sir, President please come up here. Srinivas Reddy sir, Chairman Karnataka Sangha. Devadas Kulal sir, Vice Chairman Karnataka Sangha. Ajit Sunwani sir, Secretary Karnataka Sangha. Dinesh Kurwa sir, Honorary Joint Secretary Karnataka Sangha. Pankaja Adigal Madam, she is there with us, and all our managing committee members, school principals, teaching and non-teaching staff of both degree and junior college. Hospitality is another meaning for management Karnataka Sangha. So let us begin with that. So first and foremost, I request Jayanti Madam, please hand over the bouquets to our principal. I request Adigal Sir to welcome President Karnataka Sangha Vivaka Shetty Sir with a bouquet. I request Adigal Sir to welcome Sukumar Shetty Sir, Chairman Karnataka Sangha. I request Adigal Sir to welcome Ajit Kumrayan Sir, Secretary Karnataka Sangha. I request Adigal Sir to welcome Honorary President Karnataka Sangha, Krishnan Sir. Thank you, sir. I now request President Karnataka Sangha Vivaka Shetty Sir to welcome our ex-President Karnataka Sangha Vasant Karpurti Sir. A big round of applause. Thank you, sir. I request President Karnataka Sangha to welcome Rajiv Bhandari Sir, Chairman Sports Committee. I also request Divakar Sir to welcome Prabhakar Shetty Sir, Chairman Library Committee. I request Sir to welcome Satish Alva Sir from Karnataka Sangha. Thank you, sir. I now request Chairman Karnataka Sangha to welcome Chairperson Mahila Vibhag Sushma Shetty Madam. I request him to welcome Secretary Mahila Vibhag Yogini Shetty Madam. I request Divakar Sir to welcome. I request Chairman Sukumar Shetty Sir to welcome Jagannath Shetty Sir, Secretary Sports Committee. I request Sir to welcome Mr. Ravi Sandhi, Sir, Management Member. I also request Chairman Sir to welcome Mr. Gururaj Kodalis from Udaivani, reporter from Udaivani. Thank you, sir. I now request Secretary Karnataka Sangha, Ajit Kumrayan Sir, to welcome Dr. O.N. Nair, Principal, Multi College. I also request him to welcome Satish, Dolly photographer. We have another photographer taking the photos. Please. I request Sir to welcome Mahila Vibhag Treasurer Vidya Ulgur Madam. I also request him to welcome R.O. Patil Sir, HOD in Sant Gadge Maharaj College. Thank you, sir. I now request Honorary Treasurer Chitranjan Alva Sir to welcome Mr. Kodari Prabhu Sir, Secondary Kannada Medium. I also request him to welcome Mr. Natappa Pujari Sir, Primary Kannada Medium. I request him to welcome Mrs. Ratna Muralidharan Madam, Primary English Medium. I also request Sir to welcome Mrs. Surekha Pandit Madam, Secondary English Medium. Thank you very much, sir. I now request Ashwini Chetty
Madam, Padmaja Madam from SIA College. I request Madhuri Nandan Madam, Divakar Sir, to welcome Madhuri Nandan Madam from KM Patel College. I request President of Manjulata College, Divakar Shetty Sir, to welcome Arzu Duseja Madam from GR Patel College, GR College. Good morning everyone. On behalf of Karnataka Sangha's Manjunath College of Commerce and Junior College of Commerce, I welcome everyone to the farewell function of Principal Dr. V.S. Adigal Sir. I request the management Karnataka Sangha to facilitate Dr. V.S. Adigal Sir. I request Dr. Parvati Patel Ma'am, Supervisor of Junior College, to read the certificate of appreciation.
It's my great privilege to read present appreciation letter of our mentor, guide, philosopher, and a dynamic principal, Dr. V.S. Adigal sir. Sir, you are a very valuable asset not only for the students, staff, but also for the institution. Under your leadership and guidance, many young minds have bloomed and you have shown them the way to success. Under the span of 14 years services, you have taken this institution to new heights of success with your dedication, hard work, and devotion towards each stream of work. Really, you have witnessed the philosophy of work is worship. You are an inspiration to us all with your unflagging optimism and team spirit as a principal of our institution. And we appreciate how you guided us during your entire tenure. Your extraordinary ability to keep the team on task in a perfectly harmonious way is a good example of your professionalism and attention to detail. Very rarely we do get to see a person like you with unique combination of vision, apprehension and fairness. During your entire tenure, our college has witnessed numerous turbulent situations. You ensured a sound solution to each such problem with your discipline and work ethics. You were competent in your work and shouldered many responsibilities, including working at the university level by serving in different capacities. You have made a permanent place in the heart of your students, colleagues, and the management. The President, Shri Divakar Shetty Indrali, Chairman, Shri Sukumar N. Shetty, and Honorary Secretary, Professor Ajit Umrani, and all the managing committee members dedicate this letter of appreciation to you on the eve of your voluntary retirement day. And we wish you a happy, healthy, peaceful, and blessed retired life. God bless you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. ഞങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഒഞ്ചി ഇഷ്ടപ്പഞ്ച് ഒഞ്ചഞ്ച് ആണോ ഓക്കെ Thank you.
Dr. Principal V.S. Adigal, sir.
Okay, sir.
Principal of Modern College, Bombardier, sir.
Sir.
Very good afternoon to all of you. Whatever I am today, only for a Adigal sir. सर को भी शायद नहीं पता होगा कि उन्होंने मेरी कितनी बड़ी हेल्प की. आज से 7 years पहले मैं यहाँ पर आई थी फॉर इंटरव्यू और मेरा थोड़ा सा ग्राफ पीछे था क्योंकि मैंने 2 कॉलेजेस स्किप किए हुए. ऑन दैट डे सर सेड कि मैम आपने स्किप क्यों किया है? तो मैंने कहा सर मुझे मैनेजमेंट में कुछ प्रॉब्लम लगी. सर ने कहा प्रॉब्लम्स तो घर में भी होती है तो आप घर में छोड़ देंगे. तो दैट डे मैंने वो ऐसी गांठ बांध ली अपने अंदर. नहीं, जब भी अब जहाँ पे भी वर्क करना है डेडिकेशन का कितनी भी प्रॉब्लम्स क्यों ना हो. एंड दैट इज द रिजल्ट दैट नाउ आई एम अ प्रिंसिपल ऑफ दैट कॉलेज. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच.
Now I request Principal Dr. V.S.
of the Dais, President Karnataka Sangh, Divakar Shetty sir, Chairman Karnataka Sangh, Sukumar N. Shetty sir, Professor Honorary Secretary of Karnataka Sangh, Professor Ajit Umrani sir, Chittaranjan Alva sir, Treasurer of Karnataka Sangh, Dr. Sushila Vijay Kumar on the dais. And of the dais, let me begin with Dr. Raju Bandari sir, Dr. Aro Patil sir, our ex-president, our fatherly figure, V.S. Kalkoti sir, Satish Algur sir, Dr. Dilip Kopade sir, Prabhakar Shetty sir, Jagannath Shetty sir, Ravi Sanil sir, and Mahila Vibhag Chairman Sushma D. Shetty sir, Shetty madam, Yogini Shetty madam, and all the neighboring college principals, HM of our own sister concern school, and my dear teaching and non-teaching staff, degree as well as junior. Before I share my experience on the eve of my voluntary retirement, I remember I dedicate these few lines from Hindi literature to this institution and the entire management of Karnataka Sangh. I joined this institution somewhere in 2008, 27th March 2008. Journey of 14 years I have completed. So, on this eve, I would like to dedicate these lines to the entire management members and the teaching and non-teaching staff to एक नई बस्ती में कदम रखा था, एक नई बस्ती में कदम रखा था, सोचा ना था कारवा जुड़ता ही जाएगा, कारवा जुड़ता ही जाएगा, तना ही आया था, सोचा ना था सबका साथ मिलता जाएगा, सबका साथ मिलता जाएगा। गिनती की थी यहाँ बसिंदे, गिनती के थे यहाँ बसिंदे, सोचा ना था इतनी जल्दी आंगन महक जाएगा, आंगन महक जाएगा। इतनी जल्दी कहने को तो है एक ऑनलाइन की दुनिया, कहने को तो है एक ऑनलाइन की दुनिया, सोचा ना था यहाँ परिवार भी मिल जाएगा, परिवार भी मिल जाएगा। हर कोई प्यार बरसता जाता, सोचा ना था यह फकीर यहाँ बादशाह बन जाएगा, बादशाह बन जाएगा। थैंक यू। Now time has come to say goodbye to you all. In the eve of my retirement, yes, of course, retirement is inevitable. It cannot be avoided in the context of Indian society. We are not in America. In America, there is no retirement age. We have to follow our own constitution. Yes, of course, when I joined this institution in 2008, I joined this institution as my institution because somewhere the thread of Kannada was tied with me, and that mother tongue Kannada language has tried to snatch and try to pull me towards this institution. When I joined, we had only 8 rooms and less than 15 teaching and non-teaching staff members and 600 and odd students. And today we have 28 rooms, 2,500 students and nearly 70 staff, teaching, non-teaching staff. My journey of 14 years has come to an end. Yes. When I joined, hardly there were 2 classes of first year, second year and third year. And the regular, in fact the junior college was absolutely in a very tragic condition. So when I joined, first of all I concentrated on junior college. I tried to fill up the gap between our school and degree college. And tried to regularize the permission of 11th standard of first division and tried to get the index number. That was the first prime duty that I did. As a result, slowly, gradually, with the support of the entire staff members, entire management, I went on adding 4 divisions of 11th and 4 divisions of 12th with IT, maths and other combinations. With this, I tried to bridge the gap between the school, our eminent school, and the college. As a result of it, we started to get the strength to our degree college. Yes, of course, in degree college, we went for NAC in 2015 3rd March 2015, first cycle. We are on the eve of going the second cycle NAC. We also tried with the joint effort of everybody, try to bring the permanent affiliation and try to bring the institution under 2F12B of the UGC. And also I added the new courses in the degree college like BMS, BAF 2 divisions, BBI, Research Center in the Business Economics, and Post-Graduation Center in the subject of Advanced Accountancy. Yes, of course, while discharging these duties, I enjoy the privilege of remaining cluster head of Dombivli and nominated by the university. Therefore, let me take this opportunity and platform to thank all my fellow colleagues from the principal's fraternity who have really coordinated to discharge the duty as a cluster head. Lots of obstacles in this journey of 14 years. We had many obstacles, but those obstacles I try to take as a challenge, try to face boldly, courageously with the support of everybody. Management, yes, of course, I really owe to the management. Management might have delayed the projects which I brought, but they never denied the project. I really salute to the entire management. This shows the integrity of Karnataka Sangh. Yes, of course, if I don't mention my fellow colleagues in the principal's fora, there are 3 units. With all those fora units, I remain close to the university authorities. I really express my sincere gratitude and acknowledge the gratefulness to Dr. M.G. Sirati from Lala Lajpat Rai College, Dr. Sivare, Hinduja College, Dr. M.S. Murade, DTSS College, ex-registrar of the University of Mumbai, Dr. Ajay Bhamre, present Dean of Commerce Faculty, Dr. Madhu Nair, ex-Dean of Commerce Faculty, Dr. Naresh Chandra, Pro Vice Chancellor of University of Mumbai, Dr. A.P. Majan, Dr. Gadde, ex-Dean of Commerce Faculty. All these colleagues try to help me in carrying out my responsibilities as a principal in the institution and also as a principal in different capacities at the university. They try to help me at different levels. It is not complete if I don't mention my acknowledgement to all my family members. I salute to my mother, father, who remained as an architecture of my life, my father-in-law and mother-in-law who is not there with us, and brother-in-law who is in the US, and my wife and my son who have helped me, who stood like a rock in the last 36 years of my teaching work, which includes the 14 years of my administration in this institution. In the post-retirement, during the last year when I was hospitalized, all the management members, particularly Dr. Kopade sir, who had given me the rebirth, and my staff members who stood as a teaching as well as non-teaching staff, few members who stood like a mountain to face this COVID-19. I was hospitalized for 19 days. I was able to face this COVID-19 pandemic situation boldly because of the support of everybody. So it was like a rebirth for me. I sincerely acknowledge my gratitude to everybody who directly or indirectly helped me to face all these challenges. I'm willing to remain active. Yes, of course, after the post-retirement, what is? In the post-retirement, I'm willing to remain active with various sanghas, associations where I voluntarily associated and also remain as a karma yogi, where I believe the philosophy of work is worship, philosophy of Lord Basaveshwara, that is work is worship. With the blessings of Lord Manjunatha and with the blessings of Lord Basaveshwara and you all people, I am confident enough that I will face new challenges after this voluntary retirement of 3 years. Voluntary retirement, I will be joining the other institutions for 3 years, and I will remain active. I would like to remain active in the university life, in the life of the institution for 3 years. That too, a bigger institution. This all can happen, this all could happen because of the blessings of everybody, and also blessings of Lord Manjunatha and blessings of all the management members. I will be joining other institutions, no doubt. But I can say, while taking those new challenge, new opportunity, I need your blessings and also good wishes from everyone, which will help me to shoulder the responsibility with new responsibilities with deep sense of devotion and dedication. And also, I would like to say that though I am departing from the institution, physically I may be departing, soul, the entire soul will remain with Manjunath College. I can say, and I will promise you, as and when any help that is required, any service that is required from this poor man, I will definitely try to extend my help, my service to the institution. I look as an institution, not at the individuals. So, before I wind up, because I'm getting too emotional, before I wind up, I would like to dedicate these few lines to all of my colleagues, that all young minds are there, young staff. Please try to enrich your qualifications. Try to become a pillar of the institution. Don't look at the monetary benefit, look at your service and your dedication to the work, and discharge your work with the deep sense of devotion and dedication. Therefore, I would like to dedicate these few lines to all of them. सोचने से कहाँ मिलती है तमन्नाओं की शहर, सोचने से कहाँ मिलती है तमन्नाओं के शहर, चलने की जिद जरूरी है मंजिल पाने के लिए। कोई भी आदत इतना बड़ी नहीं होती कि आप उसे छोड़ नहीं सकते, बस अंदर की एक मजबूत फैसले की जरूरत होती है, एक मजबूत फैसले की जरूरत होती है। थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू, बिकॉज the entire hospitality, felicitation, that when I could see, I could not control my tears. Please excuse me for that. And once again, I say thank you to everyone, everybody, every corner of this institution. Let me say goodbye to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Principal Padmaja ma'am to address the audience.
Good afternoon, everyone. I take this privilege today to address and felicitate Dr. Ms. Adigal sir, who has been a backbone and who have been always willing to help us during the time of pandemic. And being a cluster head, I would tell that he has done a wonderful job. I think all the Dombivli principals will feel that he has done a wonderful job. And we have got the first name saying that Dombivli marks are going properly and the results are declared in time. Sir, I feel your leadership has played a very important role and it has motivated us to do the work. That's the most important thing. The second part, when you said 14 years of your service in Manjunath sir, I think God always decides what is our next role to be played in our life.
I think 14 years of your sincere work in Manjunath has established, developed. Now your service need to continue in the other institution. So it's an extension. 100% I feel majority of us are here who are not retaining ourselves in the institution, who are moving from one place to the another place, but still our emotions and the bond always gets retained from where we have come. That plays a very important role. As a teacher and as a principal, basically we are all like flow of water. We move from one place to the another place, but water has its own special feature. Some people may feel water just a fetching of drinking water. Some people feel that water has to be purified by giving you a lamp on that. Some people will throw the stone on the water for a thing, but water never feels for what purpose it. The determination and the focus is great. Sir, all the best for your future growth, and we are all here and we will trouble you, sir. You don't worry, we are not going to leave you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. I now request Swati Bangera ma'am to address the audience on behalf of Junior College.
Good afternoon to all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Actually, I have written a mammoth of value for sir, but now here expressing of the words has become very minimal. Yes, of course, that WhatsApp video and all, and your, of course, your speech made us very emotional, sir. Sir, we will miss you. And of course, we will miss you jab tak ke jam. Okay, alvida na kehna, sir. What I remember is that sir was here when we needed him the most. Of course, he used to be very rude and he used to fire us. ऐसा नहीं करने का, वैसा करने का, कुछ सीखते रहने का, and we used to feel why sir is so rude to us. And then of course, not only man needs perfection, even women need perfection, right? So later we used to think, okay, हमें ऐसा करना था करके सर ऐसा डांट रहे थे. Feeling भी उधर पिघल जाता because father always scolds his daughters and son. Moving forward, okay, sir has always followed the preaching of Lord Basveshwara, work is worship. He used to always say to young minds, that's what he denotes to students, our students, my young minds, my young friends, you should always follow the 3 Ds, that is discipline, determination, and you should be dynamic. Sir, you know, his learning is what he can, learning is the best way to quench the thirst. He always says, it doesn't matter, you learn from whom, when and how, but keep learning, keep struggling, keep juggling. I still remember, sir always used to say, I come here by 7 o'clock, I go by 6, and at that period he's always on his toes, doing this, that, ringing the bell, and always fire surrounding him. He used to come to upstairs to see observe the lectures. Being a principal is very tough because you are in a chair of a throne. And it is very true. Determination, I still remember sir had an airline fracture in his leg. Oh, we got a new sir had a fracture. Next day he's in college. He coming upstairs, seeing our lectures, telling us what to do, what not to do. And we said, sir, abhi आराम कर लो. And sir said, ये मेरी कर्म भूमि है, यही मेरा मक्का है, यही मेरा मदीना है. Sir have always a motivation speech. That is what Sudha ma'am always say. Sir की वाणी हमें मंत्र मुग्ध कर लेती है, and that is true. Sir की वाणी actually हमें मंत्र मुग्ध कर लेती है, हमें motivate कर लेता है. Yes, sir had a very, during this pandemic, sir had gone through many hurdles, but the lion roared, fought, and came back with the bang. Yes, I remember one more thing. Our Vinayak Kanha canteen owner once said, मैं यहाँ पे रात भर था. He said, why? आपका टाइम तो खत्म होता है ना 6 o'clock. नहीं सर का छुट्टी में है ना, सर ने वो पेंटिंग वर्क कंप्लीट किया है. एंड वी सेड यस, काम अभी आज अभी ही होना है वो काम, डिटर्मिनेशन, वो स्किल सिर्फ सर के पास है। क्योंकि हमें ओवर टाइम करने में मतलब सर यूज ऑलवेज यूज टू से 6 बचा नहीं, तुम लोग देते हो, हम लोग कंपल पड़े गेट के वहाँ पे। वो जो जगड़ी होता है ना, जो हर्डल्स होता है वो पार करना, स्किल टैलेंट वो सिर्फ सर के पास है। एंड यस, ही ऑलवेज स्टूड विद अस लाइक अ बैकबोन। ही ऑलवेज सेड डरने का नहीं, जो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलता है उसको ग्रैब करने का। एंड यस, इज ट्रू, जो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलता है यू शुड ऑलवेज ग्रैब। स्टूडेंट्स को अपने जैसा सीखने का, सिखाने का, इस यू शुड ऑलवेज डिस्टेंस के साथ मेंटेन करो, बट उनको अच्छे से सिखाओ, उनका सब डाउट्स क्लियर करो। ऑल इज टीचिंग, ऑल इज प्रीचिंग इज राइट। Okay, I still remember one more thing. It's a very line of memories. Sir always say, इतने बस हुआ क्या? You should not be a commerce teacher, or you should not be like a still water, like man said. You should not be like a still water. You should always be in a flow. मेंढक की तरह मत बैठो, आगे पढ़ो. And who motivates? None other than our principal sir. Motivation होना चाहिए, रहना चाहिए. His presence in a college is like a spark. Okay, Guru always take you from darkness to the light. Sir did this. Sir is a blend of Guru, Adhyapak, Acharya, Pandit. You know, उनके पास knowledge का सागर है. So that he always say, मेरा सब कुछ ना यहाँ पे माइंड में, सीपीयू में फीड है. Sir, really miss you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I now request Manju Prajapati ma'am to speak a few words.
A very good afternoon, management, respected principals, vice principal, and all my dear colleagues. As we all know that today we all are gathered here for giving farewell to our beloved principal sir. At this moment, I have no words to express the greatness of our principal, because his values and morals cannot be batted in words. Sir has given his 14 years to our institution and made our college one of the highly reputed college in Dombivli city. I have been associated in this college for last 6 years, and in the 6 years I have many wonderful experience and memories with sir. I would like to share one of my experience with you all. As we all know that we all were facing pandemic situation in last 2 years. And in these 2 years, we were not able to connect it with each other. Then too, Sir has shows his best side. Sir has coordinated with all the teachers from handling the online process like verification, admission, result to virtual platform. It was little bit challenging for us, but everything became possible because sir's efforts and the coordination. Thank you, sir. So, your systematic approach and emphasis on punctuality made working with you a pleasant experience. We will always remember that you did for achievement of our college. Thank you, sir, for your knowledge you imparted to us. We will always miss you and we will always remember your kind gesture toward us. Sir, here I would like to say one more line. Your passion for success has no end. Thank you for your knowledge you have imparted to us. We will truly miss you and always remember your kind gesture. We will greatly miss your words of wisdom and encouragement. That is work is worship. We hope that you enjoy your retirement Wishing you all the best for your retirement. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. I now request Veena Palan ma'am to address the audience.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected management members, on the dais, off the dais, principals of neighboring colleges, HMs of Manjunatha Vidyalaya, and our teaching and non-teaching staff of the college. Today, all of us have gathered here to give a farewell to our principal, Dr. V.S. Adigal sir, and I want to brief about our journey with sir in this college. Sir had joined this institution on 27th March 2008. He had come all the way from Bombay College to this Khambalpada area, which was not so developed, and college infrastructure was also under developing stage. That time our office was attached to Principal Sir's cabin in small area. By observing all these things, Sir had a vision in mind to change the entire scenario and thought of doing many things for college. When he has joined, we had only BCom courses with 3 divisions and 1 division of junior college. In order to increase the college strength, he keeps on adding many courses and wanted to see our college in comparison with neighboring colleges. To achieve this dream, he added BMS, BAc, BBI and MCom courses and added 3 more divisions of FY and SYJC classes. In addition to this, we started PhD Center. All these helped to increase our student strength, which is now approximately 2,500. He had not only tried to get new courses and divisions, but also opted his own strategy to increase the number of admissions to maintain the minimum strength criteria as per university or affiliation norms. From morning 7 till 5, he used to personally attend all the admission procedures at his cabin by allotting proper duties to teachers and office staff. Sometimes we feel tiring to collect fees throughout the day because those days it was all cash transactions and we feel very difficult to cope up with the crowd. But his main intention was not to lose a single student. So for preparing his pension or PF papers for the VRS, Sir has really slogged a lot, which should be normally done by office staff, but he himself did all the work by consulting other colleges and prepared a number of files, as this was our first retirement case for us, and he had made our work easier and providing all the ready formats which will help for our future retiring teachers. Lastly, we also personally thank our management for always being cooperative and taking care of especially non-teaching staff for all those years, sir. On behalf of our non-teaching staff, I extend our thanks to Principal Sir for all his support, timely help and having special affection towards non-teaching staff during his tenure of services. We wish him a very healthy and happy retired life and pray to God to give him more strength and good health to work as long as he wishes. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I now request Chairman Sukma Shetty sir to welcome Dr. Vijay M. Shetty sir by offering a bouquet.
Good afternoon. प्रिन्सिपल डॉक्टर V.S. अडिगल यांच्या संदर्भात ज्युनियर कॉलेजच्या संदर्भात काही मी थोडं मराठीतच बोलणार आहे. काही थोड्याफार ओळी लिहून आणलेल्या आहेत. मान्य मॅनेजमेंट मेंबर्स, चेअरमॅन, प्रेसिडेंट, सेक्रेटरी आणि उपस्थित आदरणीय प्राचार्य वर्ग, माझे सर्व शिक्षक, शिक्षकेतर कर्मचारी यांना माझा नमस्कार. मी आजच्या दिवसाचे आपले सन्मानमूर्ती श्री प्राचार्य डॉक्टर V.S. अडिगल सर यांच्याविषयी थोडंसं बोलण्यासाठी आपल्यासमोर उपस्थित झालेलं आहे. प्राचार्य सरांच्या विषयी बोलायचं झालं तर त्यांना कर्नाटक संघा ज्युनियर कॉलेज म्हणा किंवा मंजुनगर कॉलेज म्हणा या संस्थेमध्ये येऊन 14 वर्ष कंप्लीट झालेली आहेत. या 14 वर्षामध्ये मला तुमच्याकडनं खूपच काही शिकायला मिळालेलं सर. आय एम व्हेरी मच थँकफुल फॉर दॅट. ज्युनियर कॉलेजच्या संदर्भात सांगायचं झालं तर ज्यावेळी ज्युनियर कॉलेजची स्थापना इस्टॅब्लिशमेंट 2006मध्ये झालं त्यावेळेपासून मी या कॉलेजमध्ये कार्यरत आहे. सुरुवातीच्या 2 वर्षामध्ये 2006 ते 2008 या 2 वर्षामध्ये माननीय डॉक्टर सुशीला मॅडम या इन्चार्ज प्रिन्सिपल होत्या. त्या 2 वर्षामध्ये मला त्यांच्याकडनंही खूप काही शिकायला मिळालं. जेव्हा ज्युनियर कॉलेजची स्टार्टिंग होती ॲट दॅट मोमेंट, त्या आणि मी एकत्र आम्ही जे ज्युनियर कॉलेजचं जे काय फायलिंग वर्क करत होतो फॉर रजिस्ट्रेशन पर्पज, ती सुरुवात तेव्हापासूनची. प्रिन्सिपल सर 2008 मार्च 2008मध्ये या कॉलेजमध्ये आल्यापासून त्यांचे मार्गदर्शन मला सदैव लाभलेलं. ज्यावेळी सरांची जॉईनिंग झाली त्यावेळी ज्युनियर कॉलेज 11वी एक डिव्हिजन 117 स्टुडंट तेव्हा होते फर्स्ट इयरला. त्यानंतर 12वी असं करत स्टार्टिंग आम्ही तेव्हापासून केली. आणि आजच्या कंडिशनला बघायला गेलं तर ज्युनियर कॉलेजच्या 11वीच्या 4 डिव्हिजन, 12वीच्या 4 डिव्हिजन प्लस IT 11वी 2 डिव्हिजन, IT 12वी 2 डिव्हिजन एवढ्या डिव्हिजन आपल्या या कॉलेजमध्ये आहेत. आणि ज्या IT या विषयासाठी नॉर्मली पॅरेंट्सचा आग्रह असतो आम्हाला IT सब्जेक्टच पाहिजे, त्यासाठी सरांनी खूप प्रयत्न केले, फायलिंग वर्क वगैरे आम्ही केलं आणि ते जे IT विषयाच्या ज्या डिव्हिजनची मान्यता पाहिजे होती ती आम्ही मिळवून घेऊ शकतो. तसेच सुरुवातीला सुशीला मॅडम जेव्हापासून इन्चार्ज प्रिन्सिपल होत्या तेव्हापासून आम्ही जे इंडेक्स नंबरची जी स्टार्टिंग केली होती ज्युनियर कॉलेज सुरू करण्यासाठी, ते इंडेक्स नंबर तात्पुरता मिळाल्याच्या नंतर सुद्धा तो जो परमनंट इंडेक्स नंबर करावा लागतो त्याच्यासाठी 6-7 वर्ष लागतात. ते जे फायलिंग वर्क आहे, ZP अधिकाऱ्यांना भेटणं, शहरी रोडला जाऊन विभागीय उपसंचालकांना भेटणं, हे सर्व सरांच्या मार्गदर्शनामुळे आणि मॅनेजमेंटच्या सहकार्याने शक्य झालेलं आहे. कारण नुसतं फायलिंग तिथपर्यंत पोहोचवणं, तिथल्या सरांच्या क्वॅरी सॉल्व्ह करणं हे मी करू शकतो, पण त्याच्यासाठी जे मार्गदर्शन, जे सहकार्य लाभायला पाहिजे ते सदैव मिळत राहिलं प्रिन्सिपल सर आणि मॅनेजमेंट दोघांचे. त्यामुळे आजच्या कंडिशनला बघायला गेलं तर आपल्याकडे 11वीच्या 4 डिव्हिजन, 12वीच्या 480, 960 स्टुडंट वी कॅन फील इन अवर ज्युनियर कॉलेज. मला खरंच सांगायचं तर प्राचार्य या शब्दाची पहिल्यापासून खूप भीती होती. सॉरी, कारण प्राचार्य म्हटलं एक थोडं मनात धाकधूक असते, कसे असणार, काय असणार वगैरे वगैरे. डॉक्टर V.S. अडिगल प्राचार्य जे आहेत त्यांच्या संदर्भात बोलायचं झालं तर ते कधी रागवायचे, कधी ओरडायचे, कधी समजवायचे सुद्धा. आणि त्यांच्याही अशा वागण्यामुळे प्राचार्य या शब्दाबद्दलची माझी जी भीती होती ना ती कमी झाली आणि त्याविषयी आदर मनात वाढू लागला. ते नेहमी मला म्हणायचे, बाळा भिवू नकोस, मी तुझ्या पाठीशी आहे. पण खरं तर ते पाठीशी नसून नेहमी माझ्या सोबत असायचे. प्रत्येक कामामध्ये ज्युनियर कॉलेजचं कुठलंही काम असलं, इव्हन डिग्री कॉलेजचं सुद्धा, ते नेहमी सदैव माझ्यासोबत असायचे. मला अजूनही आठवतं ॲडमिशनचा हा विषय जेव्हा येतो तेव्हा प्राचार्य सर विद्यार्थ्यांकडनं फॉर्म भरून घेण्यापासून त्यांचे झेरॉक्स अरेंज करण्यापर्यंत त्यांचे ओरिजिनल डॉक्युमेंट ठेवून घेण्यापासून जे सर्व काम करायचे तेव्हा करत होते ते मी तरी विसरू शकत नाही. त्यानंतर एक्झामचं प्रिन्सिपल सर म्हणून त्यांनी 1 वर्ष स्वतः घरी प्रिंटर मागवून कॉलेजच्या रिझल्ट्स त्यांनी स्वतः प्रिंटआउट करून घेतलेले आहेत. आणि तुम्हाला एवढंही सांगेन मी की आपल्या ज्युनियर कॉलेजचं कर्नाटक संघा मंजुनाथ ज्युनियर कॉलेजचं 12वीचं जे बोर्डाचं मेन सेंटर असतं ऑक्टोबरमध्ये, ते डोंबिवली ईस्ट या भागामध्ये फक्त आपलं एकच असं कॉलेज असतं इव्हन जे ऑक्टोबरसाठी मेन सेंटर असतं. याचीसुद्धा आपल्याला जी काही कार्यवाही करायची असते ती सरांनी माझ्यामार्फत करून घेतली. शेवटी मी एवढंच म्हणेन की सर, तुमच्या अनुभवाचा फायदा जसा आजपर्यंत आमच्या या कर्नाटक संघा या संस्थेच्या डिग्री कॉलेज म्हणा ज्युनियर कॉलेजला झाला, तसा तो याच्या पुढेही मिळत राहावा. आणि ईश्वरचरणी हीच प्रार्थना करेन की तुम्हाला दीर्घायुष्य लाभो, सदृढ आरोग्य मिळो. धन्यवाद. थँक्यू.
Thank you, sir. I now request Madhuri ma'am to express her view.
Respected dignitaries on dais, of the dais, my dear teaching and non-teaching staff friends, good afternoon. We all are gathered here to wish good luck to our principal, Dr. V.S. Adigal sir. Sir has completed one phase of life and now he is going to start new phase. I am not saying that sir is retired, because I have never seen our sir tired. Because from 7 to 6, all even said that sir remain present in the college. So he is always energetic, enthusiastic towards his work. In sir's case, age does not matter, energy matters. Sir always believed in work is worship. He is determined, he is passionately worked, he is sincere, dedicated towards his work. It would be stepping stone for our esteemed college that sir started research center in business economics. And with his meticulous efforts, our college headed cluster colleges in Dombivli city. So we and myself also expressed gratitude towards our sir. We all and Manjunatha family pray to Lord Manjunatha to bless our sir with prosperity and healthy life ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I now request Suchitra Pujari ma'am to speak a few words. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Today is our day. Our principal sir is taking voluntary retirement. We all are gathered here to give him best wishes for his future endeavors. Respected sir, wishing you the best of health, happiness, and success in your new phase of life. You have been great to work with, and I will never forget all you taught me in my journey of 10 years of service in this institution. I was not aware of the letter called R in the research world. You are the one who taught me R to H, the full of research. Therefore, I could pursue PhD degree. Sir, thanks for everything you taught us. You have been an amazing leader to all of us. Wishing you all the best as you retire. Knowing you will still be busy as ever. Thanks Atal for being a good mentor, guide, and a good teacher. Principal sir, साल भर आप हम टीचर्स को बिजी रखते थे. साल भर आप हम टीचर्स को बिजी रखते थे. कभी एडमिशन वर्क, कभी टाइम टेबल वर्क, कभी एग्जाम वर्क, कभी रिजल्ट वर्क. जब एकेडमिक ईयर एंड होता था, हम लंबी सांस लेते थे. जब एकेडमिक ईयर एंड होता था, हम लंबी सांस लेते थे कि वेकेशन है,
छुट्टी मनाएंगे, गांव जाएंगे और एंजॉय करेंगे। लेकिन उधर भी फोन आता था सर का, सुचित्रा एडमिशन वर्क स्टार्ट करेंगे। रिजल्ट तो हो गया, SYTY का एडमिशन वर्क स्टार्ट करेंगे। 12वीं का रिजल्ट भी आ गया है, FI का एडमिशन भी स्टार्ट करेंगे। कभी गुस्सा भी आता था मुझे, लेकिन एक पल के लिए सोचती थी कॉलेज हमारा है, सर हमारे हैं, गुस्सा क्यों? चलो फिर से लग जाते थे टास्क कंप्लीट करने में। Actually, principal sir always used to tell us that if you want to complete your work, don't see the time. टाइम देके काम करना छोड़ो, काम देके टाइम निकालो। So actually we have learned many good things from sir. Thanks for everything, sir, and all the very best for your future endeavor. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am. I now request Honorary Secretary Ajit Umrani sir to welcome Dr. Vivek Patil, Principal of Royal College, by offering a bouquet. Dr. Vivek Patil sir also want to present a bouquet to our principal, Dr. V.S. Adigan sir. I now request Pushkar Deshpande sir to address the audience.
Good afternoon all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. सभी लोग ने बहुत कुछ बोल चुके हैं पहले से। What I wanted to say, all are saying the same. ज़्यादा के एकेडमिक्स के बारे में बात हुआ था, but as I joined this institution, it is my 10th year. But beside academics, extracurricular activities में मैं ज़्यादा हूँ. I am in NSS from the past 10 years. I am also in the working committee of student council, sports committee and everything. सर का एक ही था कि चाहे NSS हो, स्पोर्ट्स हो, चाहे कोई भी कमेटी में काम करूँ, एंड अगर मैं कोई भी काम सर के पास लेके जाता था तो सर उसको कभी मना नहीं करते थे. ही जस्ट यूज्ड टू से काम ठीक से होना चाहिए, देयर मस्ट नॉट बी एनी प्रॉब्लम. व्हाटएवर यू डू इट विद डेडिकेशन, डोंट गो फॉर द रिजल्ट विल कम as it is. And because of sir's leadership, we could won many prizes in NSS, be it NSS volunteer, male, female, or be it program officer or the best NSS unit. Without sir's support, it couldn't be possible. Sports to be same. All of us must know, will know that from September all the extracurricular activities begin. सितंबर से स्पोर्ट्स स्टार्ट होता है, फिर उसके बाद तुरंत NSS का कैंप होता है, उसके बाद में एनुअल डे होता है, उसके बाद में IB होता है, बहुत कुछ होता है. एंड ये 3-4 महीने में हम सब कमेटी मेंबर्स बहुत बिजी रहते थे, बट सर ने कभी भी डिमोटिवेट से कभी बात नहीं किया. हम अगर फ्रस्ट्रेटेड होकर सर के पास जाते थे, सर हमेशा कामली ही बात करते थे, बट एक ही था कि काम होना चाहिए. एंड वी ट्राइड आवर बेस्ट सर टू डू आवर वर्क सिंसियरली. एंड आई विश यू ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ एवरीवन a very happy life ahead, sir. After retirement also, I am sure that you will not retire. You will do some of other work. Saying that, thank you very much, sir, and best wishes, sir.
Thank you, sir. I request Professor Ajit Umrani sir, Honorary Secretary of Karnataka Sangha, to address the audience. to welcome Dr. Anuja ma'am from SI College, Swami Vivekananda College, with a floral tribute. She also wishes to felicitate Dr. V.S. Adigal sir with a bouquet.
Namaskar. On behalf of Rashtriya Shikshan Sanstha Swami Vivekananda Knight College of Arts and Commerce, and being the member representative of principals in Senate of University of Mumbai, I wish Principal Adigal sir a very happy retirement life. We enjoyed a lot, sir, your company and timely advice and guidance given by you, and in future also we expect the same from you. Thank you very much. And on behalf of cluster of this region, being the unit, our college was unit of that cluster, Professor Chandratre, who is the exam chairman, he will also offer you a pre-sampling. Please accept, sir.
Thank you, sir. I now request Professor Ajit Umrani, sir, Honorary Secretary of Karnataka Sangha, to address the audience.
All the dignitaries on the dais, and my colleague teachers, and the connected principals from the different colleges, and HM of my school, Manjunath Vidyalaya. Actually, Dr. Adigal.
Thank you, sir. I now request Dr. Vijay M. Shetty, sir, Vice President of Karnataka Sangha, to address the audience.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I am apologizing for my late entry. I was a bit confused, the timing and the day. Can you make it on? Oh, that's great. Thank you. Okay, let me start with simple thing. In life, the only constant thing is change. I think everybody knows the meaning of constant. The constant it means is the process which occurs every now and then. It's like, you know how the MS Dhoni was replaced by Virat Kohli. That's a change. It is not that Dhoni is outdated now. Now Virat Kohli is replaced by Rahul or someone else, Rahul Sharma or whatever. It is not that Virat Kohli is outdated. It's something like now Mr. Adigal sir replaced by the dynamic lady, the beautiful lady, Mrs. Sushila, Prof. See, why I am telling you this is, we were using the button wala. Nokia 5110. After that, smartphone came up. You know, in future you never know, like, you know, only the fingertips also may work. So what I'm telling you is, Dr. Mr. Adigal sir, he is like, you know, he's a foundation, something like that. So now, Prof. Sushila ma'am, she is going to do some constructive work, which it was left behind in the sense, it is just she is going to take over. So there is nothing to feel bad about it. It is like, you know, some other day, like, you know, someone is going to overtake by me also. It's something like, we are all replaceable. So what about Adigal sir? Jaise Mr. Deshpande, the hefty guy, he told, like, you know, already both लोगों ने बहुत कुछ बोल गए हैं. So I am not going to say something new about him. What I am going to talk new about him is, whenever I used to come Manjunath College for any function, I usually used to get impressed by his dressing style. You know, it's a nice Modi's what kurta pajama. I don't want to take any politician's name. It's a kurta, I will say. So I'm not favoring any political system rather. And he's always used to dress up well. And his physique is like, you know, always like, you know, you definitely won't ignore him. Like, you know, so believe me, today I will tell you one trade secret. His tailor and specialist and my tailor is same. The other day, like, you know, last time I had asked him, who is your tailor? उन्होंने बताया कि कल्याण में रेमंड शोरूम के अंदर बैठता है, बाजू में बैठता है. अरे सर, वो तो मेरा ही टेलर है. अच्छा. So this is how it is. So he used to dress up well, and Umran sir just mentioned now, he is always on time. Maybe, like, you know, he likes the atmosphere here better than home, maybe. So this is the thing, is like, you know, he is always enthusiastic, and health-wise concerned, like, you know, he couldn't be defeated by coronavirus, forget it. COVID-19, 21, twice our man got, like, you know, came out of, like, you know, crutches of death. Once he was severely, badly hurt by corona. Somehow, see, this is all because I'm telling you, it's all grit of one person. The willpower, the health, of course your physical system is required, but at the same time, the, like, you know, never to say, like, you know, die attitude. So that's all, like, you know, to talk about Gadge, Adigal sir, you people be ready. If you can ready to wait till evening, I would be able to speak. But I'm ending my speech because I know afternoon time everyone is hungry now. Okay, thank you so much, and one more best wishes to the most dynamic, handsome Mr. Adigal sir. All the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you, sir. I now request Sukumar Shetty sir, Chairman of Karnataka Sangha, to address the audience.
Good afternoon. President Divakar Shetty sir on the dais, all the trustees on the dais, Adigal sir, neighboring principals, all teaching and non-teaching staff. Today is Adigal sir's farewell function. It is not a retirement function because he is going to continue with the principal again. Our Manjunatha Vidyalaya teachers are watching here because we are never doing this type of felicitation function to the principals. It's completed 14 years. Our teachers here, I think Surendra madam, they are complete more than 30 years of service for Manjunatha Vidyalaya, and Ratnam madam also more than 30 years has served as teachers and HMs for Manjunatha Vidyalaya. Where always all the retired teachers and lecturers, we are felicitating on the Teachers' Day. But this is the special felicitation function to our Dr. V.S. Adigal. There is the reason. It already told his speech that when he joined as a principal, we have got only 700 strength. I was a secretary on that time. Our committee member Ramesh Kakandiki introduced Dr. V.S. Adigal. Earlier he was the professor in the Kirti College, here first he is appointed as the principal of Manjunath College and is increased the strength 700 to 2600 and he did so many courses like BAF, BMS, BBA and MCOM. So now strength also increased of the teaching staff and non-teaching staff. Earlier it is only 15 to 20, now it is like more than 60 to 70. The speciality of the Adigal sir is already our Dr. Shetty told, is maintaining the dress code. Is all the function is changing the dress code. This is his speciality. He has done a lot of things in the Manjunath College. We are proud to say he also elected as a cluster head of this Rumili region. I wish you all the best to the Dr. Adigal sir and also congratulate to again he is joining the new college at Western region. I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you. One small announcement. The Managing Committee of Karnataka Sangha already decided our Dr. Sushila Vijay Kumar as an in-charge principal and for principal post some other formalities to complete. So now she appointed as an in-charge principal. I request Dr. Adigal to hand over the bouquet to Dr. Sushila Vijay Kumar and also request all the neighboring principals to cooperate. Our Dr. Sushila Vijay Kumar asked cooperated to Dr. B.S. Adigal. Thank you.
General Secretary Umrani sir, Vice President of Karnataka Sangha Dr. V.M. Shetty sir, Honorable Brother Sitaranjanada sir, Vice Principal Sushila Madam, especially today's our beloved Principal Sanmana Murthy Dr. V.S. Adigal sir and his spouse Pankaja Madam, all the respected principals of neighboring college, respected trustees of Karnataka Sangha, Mahila Vibhag Chairperson Krishma Shetty, Yogini Madam, Manjunath Vidyalaya, Kannada Medium HM, Kothari sir, Kannada Medium Primary, Nagesh Pujari sir, Sureka Pandit ji and Ratnam Madam, Aro Patil sir, my advisor, mentor, Vasant Kankoti sir, all the respected non-teaching staff, teachers, and all the guests, very good afternoon to one and all. Dr. V.S. Adigal has put in the 14 years of service as a principal of this institution. The management of Karnataka Sangha, in appreciation of his service, has changed the tradition of expressing gratitude to retired staff on the year of Teachers' Day, but now it has organized this farewell function prior to his voluntary retirement. Friends, we are happy that the teaching and non-teaching staff have put up a wonderful show while bidding him farewell. We know that he will not rest and he believes in work is worship. On behalf of the management of Karnataka Sangha, I wish him all the best for his future endeavor. Sir, you are the life member of Karnataka Sangha. So, we are sure that he will always extend his cooperation in the building of Manjunath College. As he has rightly mentioned, retirement is a phase of life in which you stop living for work and start working for living. No doubt, you are the pillar of this institution. सभी ने आपके बारे में बहुत तारीफ की है. You are the pastor in charge of community and you have done a lot of work not only for Manjunath College, even neighboring college also. कभी स्कूल से टीचर रिटायर होने के टाइम बच्चे लोग बोलते हैं, बहुत स्टूडेंट लोग बोलते हैं, वी मिस यू अ लॉट, वी मिस यू अ लॉट बोलते हैं. आज मैनेजमेंट एंड टीचर बोल रहे हैं, सर वी आर मिस यू अ लॉट, वी आर रियली वी आर प्राउड ऑफ यू सर. मैं आपके बारे में एक हिंदी कोट बोलना चाहता हूँ. इस इज बॉटम ऑफ माई हार्ट. आपका साथ धूप में चाव है, आपका साथ धूप में चाव है, आपका साथ समुद्र में नाव है, आपका साथ समुद्र में नाव है, आपका साथ अंधकार में प्रकाश है, आपका साथ अंधकार में प्रकाश है. कर रहे हैं आज आपका विदा, कर रहे हैं आज आपका विदा, पर दिल में आपका ही नाम है, पर दिल में आपका ही नाम है. सर वी मिस यू अ लॉट. जैसे कि अपना डॉक्टर वी.एम. शेठ ने बोला है, परिवर्तन जग का नियम है. जैसे आप जा रहे हैं, आप नहीं जा रहे हैं, आप हमारे दिल में हमेशा रहेंगे, बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग समवेयर एल्स. I wish we, on behalf of all the Karnataka Sangha members, we wish you all the best for your future endeavor. And Sushila Madam have taken the charge. Once again, Madam, on behalf of management and Karnataka Sangha members, we wish you all the best for your future endeavor also. We hope, I request all the neighboring college principals give the same cooperation to Sushila Madam also. She is also very experienced teacher. She also, I think, how many years? 1991, no? 1997. From the beginning, she related to Manjunath School and all the neighboring principals also came here and given the best wishes. Thank you, one and all. Thank you all the teachers and wonderful see this video clip also. Thanks them students also. Thank you one and all the best. May Lord Manjunatha bless all of you for your peaceful life, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. I now request Jayanti ma'am to give a vote of thanks.
A very good afternoon to all of you. At the outset, before I propose vote of thanks, let me wish our principal sir, Dr. V.S. Adigal sir, a very healthy and peaceful retired life and all the best for his future endeavors. And now coming to formal vote of thanks, on behalf of Karnataka Sangha's Manjunatha College of Commerce and Junior College of Commerce, I express my sincere gratitude to all the management members who have always been the backbone of every activity of our college. I specially thank our President Shri Divakar Shetty Sir, Chairman Shri Sukumar Shetty Sir and Honorary Secretary Shri Ajit Umrani Sir for their support and initiative in planning and organizing this event in a very grand manner. I also thank our IQAC Coordinator and Vice Principal Dr. Sushila Vijay Kumar Madam for her continuous guidance that has helped us in organizing this function very systematically. I extend my heartfelt thanks to all the teaching staff who have put their heart and soul in making arrangement for this event. A special thanks to our non-teaching staff, that is administrative as well as support staff, who have put their hard work and efforts to make various arrangements since 1 week, especially Balchandra Farde and his team. Therefore, I request all to give a big round of applause to our non-teaching staff for their remarkable effort. A special thank to all our esteemed guests and principals of neighboring colleges and school HMs for gracing this occasion with their valuable presence. I thank those who have directly and indirectly helped us in organizing this function. A big thank to our dolly photographer, Mr. Satish, who for capturing the glimpses of today's event. Above all, a special thank to our Principal Dr. V.S. Adigal Sir for arranging delicious lunch for all of us. I request you all to enjoy the wonderful lunch, and before we proceed for the lunch, let us have a photo session. So I therefore request everyone to be in the auditorium itself for photo session. And before we proceed to photo session, Dr. Kolhe Sir from Vande Mataram College would like to felicitate our principal, Dr. V.S. Adigal Sir. So may I request Kolhe Sir to felicitate. Now let us have our photo session. We have arranged it here itself. First we will be having a question. Then that will be followed by DPU, security and cleaning staff, then non-teaching and library staff, and then college, junior college teaching staff, and then degree college teaching staff. So I request everyone to be in the auditorium itself for the photo session.
बस चमकेगा ही।
Thank you.
May I request President Diwakar Shetty sir and Sukumar sir to welcome them by offering the bouquet.
आप इधर जाओ
Being in charge principal for the next day, this one, so we wish him all the best on behalf of Anand.